Underdog, came out for my supper after hours, so society won't catch them undercover. Understand that this sobriety don't mean won't take your number. You hiding from the storm, I'm just rolling with the thunder. I feel all energies tall, the small, let them be. Grow taking shots, it's not about Henny. Motherfuckers getting too close to rob you of your pedigree. Put her at the nosebleed, she couldn't find an empty seat. Fuck her, wasted all these sheets like homicide. I'm a sore down, nested right into your eyes. Childhood in the Midwest, came out to the west, still dirt on my sleeve. Ain't a bulletproof vest, slip shits on the keys. I'll be cooking the drums, he'll be shredding the strings. I'm at the top of my lungs, make a rapid decease, make a rapid decease. Mom's yelling, come home, I'll be back in the beat. Meanwhile, I'm on the other side, stay away. The 808s, we can come and can go, fade away. Cautious if you got options, empty your pockets. Show 'em what you tryna eat, like this Betty Crockett's. Officer tryna stop us, still at the trough. Abraham to Rosita Sasha, could die a martyr. Honestly, so I say, Nabule, we're okay. Riding on my Nimbus like a Pegasus. God's mind Genesis, sixth sense gut through your premises. All around is excellence, innocence, prejudice. If everything is everything, then everything is relevant.
And if I wait outside, would you come right through? So it's up to me. Everything without me, and everything isn't everything.